Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia on an absolutely beautiful kind of end of winter day, sun shining, everything looks beautiful outside. And so I thought I'd get in my art room. I have explained to you before that at the moment I have just 2 weeks ago tomorrow had a lovely litter of puppies from my gorgeous Australian Shepherd, Rosie, and she had a huge litter. I will pop a little video on at the end showing you her gorgeous, gorgeous puppies. Every one of them has a home. 5 of them are going into therapy dog assistance training, as do a lot of my dogs. So that is really nice too, to see that they end up helping some people that need that kind of help. So yeah, I've been busy with my puppies, but I've been busting to get back into the art room. So today I just really wanted to get in and do something bright and uplifting because the weather was so inspiring for a springy sprung pour. So that's what I'm doing today. Decided to do a nice bright sunshiny background. As you see, it was just white with that squirt of lemon or yellow to do a little bit of a different background. It will evolve, as you'll see, but the rest is doing my lovely puddle pours that I like to do, but we'll get into that shortly. So just follow on and I'll jump in where I feel I need to and watch this piece develop because it is pretty stunning. I am just so pleased with it. I love it. Yeah, I just decided to add that extra bit of the yellow there just to give it a point of difference when I come to do my little straw blown blooms as I do. So I'm going to now just puddle my paint using these. Well, it's not too many colours here, but I just want to use the nice bright colour. The first one down was my purple, and then that is magenta. And as you see, I'm pretty sure I had that lovely bright orange. With my bright orange, I love to add a good squirt of yellow when I'm mixing the orange. It makes the orange even brighter, so I really like to do that. And then I'll add a good squirt of that red, which is crimson red. And then I'll bring in some more of that yellow again to kind of top off those little puddles when I can find it there. Easy rider on the highway. So yes, as you can imagine, life has been really, really busy because Rosie had 13 puppies, 13. But yeah, it's busy, busy, busy. So I'm now trying to look for my straw, which I want to blow these little flowers out with. So this is a nice easy way for a beginner. As long as you've got your paint consistency correct, this paint will blow out beautifully like this, beginner or not. If you are a beginner, there is all the information that you need to start your little acrylic art journey in the description below each of my videos. Underneath this video, you press the description box and I have links to beginners video or the playlist for beginners or how to mix the paints to make them fluid. So everything is there for you to create the same effects that I'm creating. So no excuse, remember, your art room, your rules, your way. Just really enjoy the process. Just add in that really nice dark purple there. it'll add a point of difference when I come to kiss my balloon on there.
It was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget.
Always a favourite part for me to do is those little embellishments with the paint and the balloon kissing. I just love it. And then even the skewer, just adding some wispy bits to your flower, so it kind of makes it more realistic looking, even though they're not true to life, of course, but it does add a little bit of softness to the whole thing and brings it all together. So I was super happy with this one. It just turned out beautiful. It was bright and uplifting, and I really hope that you enjoy this too. So yeah, let me know what you think, or if you've had a go with this particular, what is it, not combination, I can't think of it, composition. It's always a nice one to do the actual flowers that way on the canvas, I find. So yep, I'm happy as with that. It's lovely, lovely, lovely. There you go. Just going to give it a whiz over with my heat wand, which will burst any air bubbles there, and it also help the paint absorb into the canvas. So I'll let that one dry, and when this one dries, I'm just going to give it a varnish coat. I think I'm not going to resin it. So very, very happy with that. Hope you enjoyed it too. Until next time, bye for now. But as I like to remind you all, in the way the world is going with silly things happening everywhere, is if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend, or if that isn't available to you, then definitely a helpline. Don't suffer in silence. Take care until tomorrow. Bye for now.